Hello students, in this video we are going to see how to calculate the number of atoms in different types of the unit cells. Now what we have studied, the four types of the unit cell, that is simple or primitive unit cell, body centered, face centered and end center. So in all the four unit cells we will be calculating the number of atoms one by one. So let us start with the first one, that is simple or primitive. Students, in simple unit cell or primitive unit cell, atoms are present only at the corners. So, if I want to draw the diagram for this, how I will draw the unit cell for a simple or primitive unit cell is this. And the atoms, they are present only at the corners. They may be atoms, ions or molecules depending upon the crystal structure. So this is the simple or primitive unit cell. Now if you see the atom which is present at the corner, how much of this atom will contribute to the unit cell? For that, let us take a glance on the diagram of the unit cell, how it looks like. If I call this as the lattice, which is shown here, the yellow shaded portion, it gives you the unit cell. Now let us see or take a glance on this atom, or let us take the glance on the central atom here. If you see this atom, how much other unit cells they are sharing this atom is one on this side, the other on this side. So there are four unit cells among which this atom is shared. So 4 up and 4 down, you can see. So the contribution of this atom to this yellow shaded unit cell is only 1/8. Because if you see the structure here, students, this atom what I am talking about, this atom is shared. If you see this, so above that, this is the first one, the behind one second, this one third and the front one 4. So 4 above and 4 below there are unit cells. So this atom is contributing only 1/8 to the actual unit cell. So what is the contribution of the atom when it is present at the corner is only 1/8. So let us do the calculation for this. So the number of atoms is equal to 1/8 into number of atoms present at the corners. So that is 1/8 into, how many atoms are there, student? There are 8 atoms in a unit cell. So total contribution is only of 1 atom. So there is only 1 atom per unit cell in case of simple or primitive unit cell. Come to the next one, that is body centered. In body centered, atoms are present at the corner and 1 atom is present in the body. So if I want to show the diagram for body or BCC structure, the diagram will be like this. So I will show the 8 atoms at the corner like I have shown for the primitive or the simple unit cell, and now I will show 1 atom at the center, that is body. So this is the body. So here I am showing 1 atom. Now if you see that atom which is present at the center, it is the whole sole atom contribution to the unit cell because it is not getting shared with the surrounding unit cells. So the number of atoms is equal to 1/8 into number of atoms at the corner plus number of atoms at the center, or I will call it as body. So what is the contribution, student? 1/8 into 8 plus 1. So that will come to 1 plus 1. So how many atoms? So there are only 2 atoms contribution per unit cell if it is a body centered unit cell. Come to the third one, that is face centered. Now what is there in face center, student? Atoms, they are present at the corner plus atoms are also present at the center of each face. Now where is the face? For that, let us draw the diagram here. So if I show the diagram of the unit cell, I am showing the 8 atoms at the corner, same like what we have seen for the previous 2 unit cells. Now where I will locate the face atom here, student? If I want to understand where is the face, this is the face what I am talking about. It's like the wall of your room. So the wall, there are 4 walls and 1 ceiling and 1 is the flooring. So how many faces in all? For because the unit cell is very much similar to the room. So how many walls are there? 4 walls and 1 ceiling and 1 flooring. So how many atoms in all? There will be 6 atoms. Now where is the atom present? The atoms, they are present at the center of each face. So I am showing the atoms in this way. So I am pointing 6 atoms in this way. What do you think will be the contribution here, student? Now if you see the FCC structure, if I say this is the face, or I will say this is the face and the atom is at the center here, then this atom is partially contributing to this side unit cell and partially contributing to its neighboring unit cell. And so the contribution of every atom in the face is only half. So let us do the calculation. Number of atoms is equal to 1 upon 8 into number of atoms at the corner plus number of atoms each face. So what is the contribution, student? Half into number of atoms in the faces or at the center of the faces. So this will be 1 upon 8 into 8 plus 1 upon 2 into 6. So how much will be this? 1 plus 3. So 4 atoms they contribute in case of face-centered unit cell. Let us come to the last one, that is end-centered. You can do this, students, simultaneously because it is easy. What happens in end-centered, students? Here the atoms they are present. This is a repeated statement, present at the corners plus faces of any 2 opposite, or I will say, sorry, this should be center of any 2 opposite faces. So what will be the structure? Structure will be like this. The 8 atoms at the corner in this way and any 2 opposite faces center. So I'll consider this face, opposite to that is this. Face contribution is always half. So what will be the number of atoms, student? Number of atoms is equal to 1 upon 8 into number of atoms at the corner plus half into number of atoms in the faces, center face. So this will be 1 upon 8 into 8 plus 1 upon 2 into 2. So this will come out to 1 plus 1. So how many atoms, student? 2 atoms. So this is how we do the calculation for the number of atoms in this different types of unit cells. I hope you like this video. So please do subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.